There's actually been some big changes in family law dealing with alimony and talking about retirement distributions. What's going on with alimony?
That's right. This past legislative session, there have been 2 statutes passed, one dealing with alimony, which has really changed the law of alimony considerably.
Like really shaking things up with how alimony works.
Very much so.
Okay.
The alimony previously was very discretionary. The judge could do almost anything they wanted to. No rules about how long you had to be married or anything like that. Now there's a presumption that alimony should only last for up to 5 years, and there has to be specific reasons to award alimony longer than 5 years, which is a big deal.
So previously, if I'd only been married for like a year, I could get alimony for the rest of my life. Theoretically, that's the way it could have happened.
Right,
yeah,
right.
okay.
Unlikely, but
yeah.
It could have happened that way.
And so now it's kind of based on it's like a 1-to-1 ratio almost, right? Like if you're
the max is up to the length of the marriage. If you've been married 15 years, you can't get alimony for longer than 15 years.
It seems like a fair, I guess there were a lot of complaints with alimony that prompted the change.
Obviously so, yeah.
All right, and then the other big change you say is coming down the pike is how retirement assets are going to be distributed in a divorce.
That's right.
What's going on there?
Well,
what's going to change?
And while I'm thinking about it, both of these statutes are not going to be effective until January 1 of 2018. They've been signed by the governor, and they will become effective at that time. Used to be that you had to be married for 10 years before the retirement accounts of the parties were divisible. That has been totally done away with. You can divide retirement accounts in any type of marriage, any length of marriage. And they've switched it from it's the one that does not want the retirement to be divided that has the burden of showing what the value of the retirement is.